Hi, I am Chef Sharon from Chef Sharon Catering Lifestyles. I'm here at the absolutely fabulous Networkation, organized by my wonderful friend Jackie, who has been inviting me for so long, but never got a chance. I finally did. What an amazing event. I have connected, bonded, and formed such relationships with the people who have attended. It was not only informative, but definitely an awakening to the opportunities that are out here. Again, my name is Chef Sharon Catering Lifestyles, the fusion of food, fashion, and flair. You can reach me at www.chefsharoncateringlifestyles.com or chefsharon.com.